degrees and currently in stupid.
Players are on their way to center court.
The chase. I'm starting with my cleansing foam from Centella. Today I'm starting this vlog with a big unboxing, and if I'm not mistaken, I don't think if I ever shared this kind of content before, so I really hope you will enjoy it. My birthday is coming up soon, September 22nd to be exact, but I have started already treating myself with some early gifts, so let's unbox them together. I am so excited to finally open this big box. It feels like a birthday already. Let's start with the most special one, a bag from Ralph Lauren that I'm absolutely sure I'll be wearing for years. And honestly, I've been dreaming about it for weeks. I'm taking off all the packaging carefully, and I already love how it feels in my hands. This is definitely going to be my everyday go-to bag. It is a small suede bag in a beautiful deep navy color, so classic and elegant. I love that. And the next little treat I got, and the second in my collection, is this beautiful nail polish. I couldn't wait to open this beauty before the video. I've been wanting to try it for so long, and now it's finally here, so let's open it and see this beauty up close. This is the Hermes nail polish in shade 06 Rose. Such a soft and elegant color. It is a classic polish, not gel, but the quality is supposed to be perfect. I just got a notification from the delivery company that my parcel has arrived to my door. Oh my gosh, I think I know what it is, just let me grab it. These brown Martens are just stunning. The rich leather has such a warm, timeless tone, and the stitching makes them look both bold and elegant. I've had the same pair in black for 3 seasons, and they still look amazing, so I know this will be just as lasting and stylish. So, as I always say, and will keep saying to anyone who thinks the price is unreasonable and that you could get 2 pairs of shoes for the same amount, I'm just so glad I got this. Since I got some nice pieces from Aritzia yesterday, I was trying to put together a nice outfit. Let's watch it. I'm pretty sure I showed you this store in my previous vlogs. It's a shop on Queen West in Toronto. Vintage big store. This time I picked up two pieces, the belt and the vest. Here I'm wearing my new blue long sleeve top with the vest, and my light shorts kinda match the vest too. I'm finishing the look with the belt, and what do you think? And one more piece from Aritzia, this blue zip-up jacket from my workouts. I feel like deep blue is quickly becoming my favorite color. And last but not least, my new sun is from RayBan. Hi guys, it is July 27, extremely sunny and hot day today. It's 32 degrees and currently it's 2 p.m. and we're about to head out to grab coffee before we leave to watch a tennis game in Toronto later tonight. I'm so excited about it, and I'm probably gonna stay in my outfit. I'm wearing my white blouse with a nice belt, vintage belt, and just jeans shirt. So yeah, and I believe by the time we get there it's gonna be not that hot anymore, so I probably will bring my jeans jacket. So yeah, just stay with me. Moments like this make me wish I could stop time. I don't think I've ever said this out loud, but my life in Canada truly feels like a dream. I have surrounded myself with the best people who have become my closest friends. My free time is better than it's ever been, and I've been trying so many new activities. It is the best feeling ever. It feels like there's only one direction now. Forward. Never back. I'm deeply appreciative and thankful for everything I have accomplished on this journey. And I genuinely wish everyone could feel the same.
And our players are on their way to center court.
Let me show you my nighttime skincare routine and what I use to remove my makeup. All of these products are my favorites. They have stood the test of time. I'm using this headband and I find it very helpful. Honestly, I'm so tired after the tennis and the trip home. You can probably see it in my sleepy eyes. Never mind, cut into the chase. I'm starting with my cleansing foam from Centella. I always make sure to clean my neck because of the SPF, then I rinse it off. Next is a cleansing oil from the same Centella brand. I suggest wetting your hands first, adding a few drops of the oil, warming it up between your palms, and then applying it to your face. Rinse it off afterward. And last but not least, I recommend using a rich, creamy moisturizer if you have dry skin. And here I am, happy to be done with it all and ready to go to bed. See you in the next video. Hugs!